Welcome to Site 24/7 tutorials. Today, we'll explore an important feature of Site 24/7, scheduling maintenance windows. One of the main benefits of scheduling maintenance windows in Site 24/7 is that it prevents unnecessary alerts. If you're performing plant maintenance, Site 24/7 won't notify you about downtime, so you can focus on the task at hand without being overwhelmed by alerts. Scheduled maintenance enables you to sync your maintenance activities with monitoring as well as automate tasks using our REST APIs. Plus, you can increase your overall uptime by enabling monitoring during maintenance periods. Let's see how you can set this up. First, log into Site 24/7. Then navigate to Admin, Operations, and click Scheduled Maintenance. Here, you'll find the option to schedule a new maintenance window. You'll need to fill out some important details. First, provide a display name, a description, and specify the time zone. Second, fill out the recurrence details based on your preference. For a one-time maintenance, set the duration, start time, and end time. For daily or weekly maintenance, choose the preferred time it should run. For monthly maintenance, specify the recurrence by day or date. You can also opt for yearly maintenance, for which you can choose the desired period. You can also manually set the start and stop times for the maintenance by specifying the exact date and time for each, after which the maintenance will be in effect until the designated stop time. Third, fill in the additional details such as scheduling IT automation or associating monitors to a maintenance window. Once you've filled out your preferences, click Save. Don't forget to enable monitoring during maintenance if you want to capture real-time statuses. Once you schedule your maintenance, you can view all your scheduled tasks in the maintenance calendar. Here, you can differentiate tasks by color and even download the details as a CSV file or share an iCal link. This can be synced with your organization's or IT admin's calendar, making it easier to keep everyone aligned and up to date. By scheduling maintenance effectively, you not only streamline your IT operations but also improve your overall uptime. It's an essential tool for any IT team. Thank you for watching. Happy monitoring!